Hey everyone, welcome back to its Arif YouTube channel. Today, we're doing something a little different, a relaxing fruit cutting tutorial with clean visuals and satisfying sounds. So, grab your headphones, sit back, and enjoy this ASMR style experience designed to calm your mind and refresh your focus. These days, people are creating ASMR fruit cutting videos and earning millions of dollars with ease. Such videos are going viral, attracting massive audiences who watch them to unwind and relax. The satisfying sounds and visuals of fruits being cut and sliced have become a popular form of stress relief. As a result, these videos are not only gaining widespread attention but also becoming a lucrative business for content creators, all while providing viewers with a peaceful escape from their daily routines. Check out this YouTube video, which has garnered 6 million views. This one got 16K view about 4 days ago. You can see many videos going viral, generating substantial views and earning significant revenue. I will provide a link to this Google Sheet in the description or comments section of the video, where you'll find lots of video prompts to help generate realistic content. I am now copying the first prompt to generate a video and going to ChatGPT. Paste the prompt in the text box and giving him a direction like, "Give me this type of video prompt for VO3. ChatGPT will provide you with a detailed prompt, but if you use it you may not get the desired results for the video. To solve this issue, you need to provide ChatGPT with clear direction, such as giving the prompt in a paragraph. Now you have got details prompt to generate a hyper-realistic video in VO3. Copy the prompt provided by ChatGPT, open a new tab, and search for Gemini.com. In Gemini, when you click on the video option, you'll only see VO2 available for generating content. However, VO2 does not support sound effects or voiceovers. That's why we need to use a VPN connected to a US server. I personally use CyberGhost VPN for this purpose. Now, reload the page and wait for a moment. After that, click on the video option. You should now be able to generate videos using VO3. Paste the prompt in here. Create a 4K ultra-realistic ASMR video showing a person slowly slicing a perfect, real-world recreation of a Minecraft TNT block on a polished wooden cutting board. The cube should flawlessly replicate the in-game textures with bright red pixelated vertical stripes on all sides, a bold white horizontal band around the middle featuring sharp black TNT letters in the Minecraft font, and a pixelated dark gray-black fuse on top. The block appears dense yet slices smoothly, revealing layered interiors that match the outer design with stacked red, white, and dark gray layers. The slicing is deliberate and controlled, with fingers gently guiding the cube, producing clean, even slices. The background is pitch black to isolate the scene, and tight close-ups focus on the knife cutting through the layers. Capture immersive ASMR audio including subtle blade scrapes, soft friction, light thuds of falling slices, and delicate finger taps, creating a calm, satisfying, and visually faithful experience that blends hyperrealism with Minecraft nostalgia. Click the submit button, then wait a few moments for the video to be generated. It may take 1 to 2 minutes to generating the video. The video turned out exceptionally well. I created a video like this a while ago, let's play that one. As you can see below, I can create only 2 more videos using VO3 in Gemini. Let's go ahead and create those videos. So that, we'll move to ChatGPT to generate more video script like this one. Now I'm planning to create a fruit cutting video, so I'm giving instructions to ChatGPT. I'd like some crystal clear fruit cutting video prompts to generate a video using VO3. ChatGPT will give you a hyper-realistic prompt, according to the directions which you provide. The prompt is highly detailed, so I've commanded ChatGPT to give me it in paragraph form. You can now copy the prompt to generate the video. Go back to Gemini, paste the prompt, and click submit. The video generation process will begin. Please wait a few seconds for it to complete. To download the video, click the download icon. The video will be saved to your computer. Let's generate one more video. I will ask ChatGPT to provide another prompt similar to the previous one. ChatGPT will deliver it within a few seconds. Copy the prompt and paste it into Gemini. Gemini will generate a video based on the script. In the below, you can see the message, "You have reached your video generation limit." This is why you cannot generate any more videos using Veo 3. That's why we will generate the video using another method, which allows unlimited video creation, similar to Gemini. This alternative approach is efficient and user-friendly, ensuring you can continue producing high-quality videos, without any restrictions or interruptions. Now, open a new tab, search for Google Flow in the search bar, and click on the first website that appears. Flow video generation with Veo 3 is an advanced method that enables seamless creation of high quality, like hyper-realistic videos through automated workflows. By integrating Flow's automation capabilities with Veo 3's powerful video generation technology, users can efficiently produce unlimited videos with minimal manual effort. This combination streamlines the video creation process, enhances productivity, and offers greater flexibility compared to traditional methods. Since Google Flow isn't available in all countries, I am using a VPN connected to a USA server to access it. Now sign up with Google, then click the checkbox and continue. Here, you can see that I have received 1,000 credits to generate videos using the Veo 3 model. These credits are refilled every month. Now click on New Project. After a few seconds, you'll see an interface like this appear. Click the Settings icon. Here, you can choose the video generation model and configure the output based on the prompt. For each video generation cuts 20 credits from your balance, which means with 1,000 monthly credits, you can create up to 50 high-quality videos. This allows for continuous, efficient video production without interruption. Perfect for content creators, marketers, or educators who need consistent output. I am selecting the Veo 3 Fast Text-to-Video Beta with audio option to generate the video. Now, I am copying the video prompt and pasting it here to generate the video. It will take 1 to 2 minutes to generate the video, similar to the process in Gemini. Hang tight, the video will be ready in just a moment. Once it's done, you'll see an outstanding result. Let's play the first video. Now the second one. Let's create another video. All the process are same as we completed a moment ago. I'll fast forward through this part to save time. As you can see, I've generated 4 videos, which has used up 80 credits from my account. Each video generation consumes 20 credits. Now you can easily create videos like this and start earning a good income online. I'm Arif, and you're watching It's Arif on YouTube. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more valuable content.